Straight out of the box, we have all of the parts, components, and tools that's used to assemble this. And of course, you have the instructions manual, and I highly suggest reading it to make sure you have all the parts, which are each individually labeled along with the specs and the sizing, along with the detailed steps. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you guys through it. Let's get started. Hello again. This is much better. Looks nice.